In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive crypto on UniSwap. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your wallet details inside the UniSwap interface so others can send you crypto safely and correctly. First, a quick but important clarification. UniSwap is not a wallet, and it never holds your crypto. Think of it as a decentralized interface that lets you interact with your own wallet. Your funds always live in the wallet you control, and UniSwap simply provides tools to view, swap, and manage them. That context matters because when you receive crypto through Uniswap, you're really sharing your wallet's public address so someone can send funds to you. Start by opening the Uniswap app in your browser. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and click the profile icon. This opens a small menu that's focused on your wallet-related actions and settings within the app. From there, choose Receive Crypto. This brings up the screen that shows the details you can share with a sender. You'll see your public wallet address clearly displayed. Use the copy button to copy it exactly. This is the address that other people will use when sending crypto to you, and it should match the wallet you plan to receive into, such as a browser wallet. Always double check the first and last few characters before sharing to make sure nothing was altered. You can also tap the QR option. That generates a scannable code for the same address, which is helpful if the sender is nearby or if you're moving funds from a mobile exchange app. When they scan the code, it fills in your address automatically, reducing the risk of typos. Some users will also see a Coinbase option on this screen. If you keep funds on that exchange, this path can streamline moving crypto to the same wallet address shown here. Regardless of the path you choose, make sure the token and network the sender uses match the network your wallet is set to receive on, and be aware of any network fees that may apply. To recap, Uniswap itself doesn't hold your assets. You open the app, click the profile icon, select Receive Crypto, copy your address or show the QR code, and if available, consider the Coinbase option for a simplified transfer. Share only your public address, never share your seed phrase or private keys. With those basics, you're ready to receive crypto confidently using Uniswap's interface.